A new hotel in a small town, everything okay, nice staff plus clean plus reasonable room size. Nice, clean and quiet. Experience tranquility at Qin Hai Hotel in Nantou, Taiwan. Welcome to Qin Hai Hotel, a charming 3-star hotel nestled in the heart of Nantou, Taiwan. With its serene surroundings and excellent amenities, this hotel offers a tranquil escape for both leisure and business travelers. Qin Hai Hotel underwent a renovation in 2015, ensuring that guests are treated to modern comforts and a refreshing ambience. Located just 0.35 kilometers from the city center, this hotel provides easy access to Nantou's popular attractions, making it an ideal choice for exploring the city. Check-in at Qin Hai Hotel begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start your vacation at your own pace. The hotel was built in 2015, showcasing a contemporary design that perfectly blends with the natural beauty of its surroundings. When it's time to bid farewell to this tranquil retreat, checkout is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to wrap up your stay. With 74 well-appointed rooms, Qin Hai Hotel offers a comfortable and inviting space for guests to relax and unwind. Each room is thoughtfully designed to provide modern amenities, ensuring a restful stay. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or with your family, you'll find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. At Qin Hai Hotel, children between the ages of 0 to 17 are welcomed with open arms. The hotel's child policy allows them to stay free of charge, making it an excellent choice for families looking for a budget-friendly getaway. With its peaceful ambience and child-friendly amenities, Qin Hai Hotel ensures that every member of your family enjoys a memorable stay. Indulge in a tranquil retreat at Qin Hai Hotel and experience the beauty of Nantou, Taiwan. Book your stay today and create unforgettable memories in this charming destination. Endless entertainment at Qin Hai Hotel. At Qin Hai Hotel, guests are in for a treat with an array of entertainment facilities that will make their stay truly unforgettable. The hotel boasts a lush garden where guests can relax and unwind amidst the beautiful natural surroundings. Whether you want to take a leisurely stroll, enjoy a picnic, or simply bask in the tranquility, the garden offers the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. For those seeking a bit of social interaction, Qin Hai Hotel also features a shared lounge/TV area. This cozy space is the ideal spot to meet fellow travelers, engage in lively conversations, or simply kick back and enjoy some entertainment. With comfortable seating and a large TV screen, guests can catch up on their favorite shows or watch a thrilling sports match. The shared lounge/TV area provides the perfect balance between relaxation and socialization, ensuring that every guest's entertainment needs are met. Convenience facilities at Qin Hai Hotel. Qin Hai Hotel in Nantou, Taiwan offers a range of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With room service available, guests can indulge in delicious meals and snacks without leaving the comfort of their rooms. The hotel also provides free Wi-Fi in all rooms, allowing guests to stay connected and browse the internet at their convenience. For those who prefer to work or browse online in public areas, Qin Hai Hotel offers Wi-Fi in public areas as well. Whether it's catching up on emails or sharing vacation photos on social media, guests can enjoy seamless internet access throughout the hotel. Additionally, Qin Hai Hotel understands the needs of all its guests and provides a designated smoking area for smokers. This thoughtful facility ensures that non-smoking areas remain fresh and smoke-free, while smokers can enjoy their cigarettes without inconvenience. To make guests' stay even more convenient, the hotel offers luggage storage facilities. Whether guests arrive early or have a late departure, they can securely store their luggage and explore the city without any worries. Furthermore, the daily housekeeping service ensures that rooms are kept clean and tidy, allowing guests to relax and unwind in a comfortable environment throughout their stay. Convenient transport facilities at Qin Hai Hotel. At Qin Hai Hotel, we understand the importance of convenient and hassle-free transportation for our guests. That's why we offer a range of transport facilities to ensure your stay with us is as comfortable as possible.